Lila.
My name is Lila.
Lila, how old are you?
Peter. Peter.
Sit down.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Okay, now let's talk about prepositions, Lila. Okay, Lila, put the toy on the chair.
Hey.
Very good. Everybody, on!
Ah.
Good job, Lila. Put the toy under the chair. Under. Good job, Lila. Excellent. Under. Okay. Put the toy next to the chair. Amazing. Excellent, Lila. Next to. Now, put the toy in the box. Where is the toy, Lila? It's in the box. Now, put the toy behind the chair. Behind. Okay. Where is the toy? Behind. Louder. Behind the chair. Very good. High five. Once